Hello, my dear students. Welcome to all in my virtual class. I am Shahjalal Ahmed Pial, lecturer in Finance and Banking, Milestone College. Today I will discuss measuring of risk and return. Today's the lecture number 5 in this chapter. This chapter name is Risk and Return. This is very important chapter because our investment main focus is return and risk. We know higher risk makes to higher return. Today's topic is arithmetic mean or average mean or expected rate of return or average return. After this lecture, you will be learn how to calculate arithmetic mean or expected return. So dear students, let's go the start my class. Arithmetic mean or expected return. The best non-statistic statistics to most people is the arithmetic mean. This is the very easy method to calculate average mean or expected return. The arithmetic mean is a better measure of average, typically performance over single periods. It is the best estimate of the expected return for the next period. Arithmetic mean customarily designed by the symbol X bar or R bar or expected return. Formula of arithmetic mean. There are two formulas of arithmetic mean when the number of year is given. This is the past or previous data of a company or an investment. This formula equals to summation R means return divided by N means number of year. We elaborate this formula. R1 means return 1 or first year return plus second year return plus third year return plus fourth year return plus fifth year return continuously ... up to last year and divided by number of year. Another formula is probability is given. This is the future return or future expected return. When a company probability profit or loss, it measures this formula. When the probability is given, probability means future return. This formula equals to summation RT into PT. RT means total return time period and P means probability time period. Every question's probability, total probability is 1 equals to 1 or 100%. elaborate this formula R1 into P1. R1 means first year return, P1 means first year probability, plus second year return into second year probability, plus third year return into third year probability, plus fourth year return into fourth year probability, plus fifth year return into fifth year probability, where R equal rate of return or total return or annual return, N equal number of year, P equal probability means future return. Dear students, look at the problem number 2. The information of last 5 years of Square companies data is given below. 2011 return 29%, 2012 return 25%, 2013 return 20%, 2014 return 16%, and 2015 return 20%. This is the previous data or last 5 years data. So we must calculate the formula number 1 where year is given. And we have to determine the arithmetic mean or expected return. When the number of year is given, the formula will be expected return or R bar equal R1, R2, R3, R4 and R5, because this project lifetime is 5 years and divided by number of years. We putting the value first year return 29%, second year return 25%, third year return 20%, fourth year return 16% and fifth year return 20% divided by 5. Total return divided by number of year 5, and we will find the value 22%. So 22% is the expected return of Square company. Now we see the another problem, problem number 3. The question here, return, first return 29%, 25%, 20%, 16% and 20%, and probability 0.20, 0.26, 0.24, 0.18 and 0.12. Total probability must be equals to 1. We have to calculate arithmetic mean or expected return using probability formula. When the probability is given, the formula will be expected return equal R1 into P1 plus R2 into P2 plus R3 into P3 plus R4 into P4 plus R5 into P5. Here R1 means first year return and P1 means first year probability. First year return 29% into first year probability 0.20 plus second year return 25% into second year probability 0.26 plus third year probability 20% into third year return 20% into third year probability 0.24% plus fourth year return 16 into fourth year probability 0.18 plus fifth year return 20% into fifth year probability 0.20. After calculation, we find out the value to 22.38%. This is the expected return of ACI company using probability data. So, my dear students, you understood how to calculate arithmetic mean or expected return using number of year and also using probability. Thanks to all and goodbye.